Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we've got 2 corn tortillas, some salsa, some shredded Mexican cheese. These are refried beans, and I have a video on how you can turn a canned refried beans into just the real thing. This is some ground beef with some black olives that I, ground up. There's some olive oil. Hola, Mike Foster here. Today, it's a killer mini beef and bean quesadilla. I don't have to say cheese quesadilla because queso means cheese. It's a Mexican grilled cheese, but with all this good stuff in it. I'm gonna pop this baby together. It's simple to make. Check it out. So you set this pan on medium to start, maybe a little lower than medium. Put a little oil in there. Take your tortilla, put that baby there. Then you put some cheese on it like this. You take these beans and you try to get them on there without disturbing the cheese too much. I'll show you like that. You spread it around. Yeah. Then you take your ground beef mixture, put that right on top. This is going to be a slow and go cook until that cheese melts. You can see it's already starting to go. But next, it's a queso. Queso means cheese, quesadilla. Put the rest of the cheese on there. Take the tortilla and press it. Now it's slow and go, just a matter of crisping up the tortilla and melting that cheese. So I'm going to put it a little lower. See how we're doing. I'm going to give it a flip just for fun. Oh yeah, that got crispy. That cheese is melted. Put it way low, like J-Lo. Couple more minutes on this side. When that crisps up, I'll show you what I do next. This is done, but since there was oil used, you don't want all the oil in your face or in your mouth. So you take a paper plate, paper towel, put that baby right there. Then you tab it down like this. Get all the oil off of it. Clean it up along the way. By that I mean steel bites. Then you go like this and you flip it like that. Now you take a nice knife like this and you're going to cut it in quarters. And again. Let's get this on a nice plate and a nice close-up. There's your close-up. I can't wait for a big bite. Yeah, I like that one too. I'll pick which one. Big bite coming up. All right, there she be. Look at that. So you take it. You can dip it in the salsa, or take a little salsa and put it right there. Or eat it without the salsa. I'm gonna eat it no matter what. That is delicious. Creamy with the cheese, creamy with those beans. Those olives bring out that ground beef. Maybe I'll show you how I made that someday. And the tortilla holds it all together. That is KDD. What's that mean? Killer, diller, delicious. Now, they sell quesadilla makers, which would probably crisp this up a little more. It's almost just like a panini maker without the grooves. But you don't have to go to the store and get that. You can just do it just like this. It's killer diller delicious. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Subscribe and tell others. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And that's for the outtakes. Pat it down. That piece came a little in. Look at all that oil we got off there. See that? Now you take a knife. Whoops, bring it back this way. Fast, simple, and easy. Outtake chew. That's happy. That made me happy. Sweet baboo. Ooh. He's drooling with the baboo. Ah. Oh man. You're gonna get your protein to start the day. You're gonna get a little healthiness with the salsa and the beans, the black olives. And you're gonna get your oily tortillas to start the day. What else do you need to start the day? And of course, cheese. And if you don't want to start the day with this, just have a hard-boiled egg. Baba.